Let's peel back the cover on the tools and tech that shape our world. Ready for a deep dive? This channel is your backstage pass into the fascinating universe of big machines, smart products, and next-level tools. We break down the mechanics behind everything from industrial robots and circuit boards to power tools and DIY repairs. Curious about how things work, how they're made, or even how to fix them? You're in the right place. Whether it's electronics, mechanics, or electrical circuits, we explain the tech, review the latest gear, and even build a few projects together. Get ready for hands-on walkthroughs, epic reviews, and practical tips that'll make you the go-to tech guru in your crew. Hit subscribe, join our community of curious minds, and let's spark your passion for technology one awesome machine at a time.
Okay, so you've probably heard the words laser cutter thrown around a lot in tech circles or makerspaces, right? But what actually is a laser cutter and how does it work? Let's get into it. Imagine a razor-sharp beam of light, so precise and powerful, it can slice through wood, acrylic, plastic, and even some metals. That's what a laser cutter does. It uses a focused laser beam to cut, engrave, or etch designs with insane accuracy. Now let's break down how this marvel actually works. First, it starts with your design. You might use software like Adobe Illustrator or AutoCAD to map out exactly what you want to cut or engrave. Think of it like drawing, but on your computer. Next, that design gets sent to the laser cutter machine. Here's where the magic happens. The heart of the machine is the laser source, usually a CO2 tube or sometimes a fiber laser, depending on what you're working with. The laser is basically a super focused beam of light, amplified by mirrors and lenses until it's pinpoint precise. Now here's the cool part. The laser cutter has a system of mirrors and motors that direct the beam to follow your design. It's kind of like a printer, but instead of ink, it's using concentrated light energy to burn, melt, or vaporize material along the path you've set. So, let's say you're cutting a piece of wood. The laser beam heats a tiny spot on the surface so intensely that it turns the wood beneath into gas, literally vaporizing it away. For engraving, the laser moves faster or uses less power, just scoring the surface without burning all the way through. And because everything is computer controlled, you get incredible precision, down to fractions of a millimeter. That's why laser cutters are so popular for making everything from custom jewelry to architectural models to parts for robots. But a quick word of warning, these machines aren't toys. You always need proper eye protection, good ventilation, and to follow every safety rule in the book. Never look directly at the laser and never leave the machine running unattended. So, to wrap up, a laser cutter is basically a super precise computer-controlled lightsaber for makers and engineers. It opens up a whole world of creative possibilities, limited only by your imagination and your design skills. If you've ever wanted to turn your digital ideas into physical objects, a laser cutter might just be your new favorite tool. Thanks for watching.